Hi, hello to everyone. In this video, I'm going to solve a problem from probability. Question is 1500 families with 2 children were selected randomly and following data were recorded. Okay, number of girls in a family. No girls in the family 211. 211 families are there without any girl. 814 families are there with one girl and one boy. 475 families have 2 girls. Okay, so what is the main question given here is, if a family is chosen at random, compute the probability that it has no girls. No girls, how many families are there? 211. So probability for no girl family is equals to 211 by total how many families we have? 1500. Now generally division if you do, what you will get? General division if you do, here the decimal will be repeated, that is 0.1406 and so on. Here 6 continues, otherwise let us check it. 1500, 211, 0.0. So 15 2s 30 is more than this, so 15 ones 15 you take, 0 1, this is 6 or 610 and one more 0. 15 fours 60, so 6000 and 100 you will get again one more 0, that is 1000 and one more 0 2, it becomes 10,000. 15 6 is 90, so 9000 you will get, and again if you subtract you will get one more 1000 and again one more 0 you can put by using the decimal. So like this if you continue the division you will get the repeated 6 here, repeated here. So let us take the approximate value for this. Okay, so we got 0.1406. next one, second one is one girl family. Probability for one girl family is equals to, one girl means here what is the frequency given? 814. So 814 by 1500. Okay, for this you will get 0.5426, right? So let us check it also. 1500, 814.0. 15 6 is how much? 15 6 is 90. So 15 5 75. So 5 you take, 7500, 0 4 and here 6 and 0, 6400 you will get. Again 15 4s 60, 15 5 75, 15 4s 60 you take, so 400 and one more 0. 15 here, 15 2 is 30, 15 3 is 45, so 2s 3000 and 1000 will remain and one more 0 you will get after putting this decimal here, one more 0 you can put. So 15 6 is 9000 again you will get 1000 remains. Again you can use the decimal point and put the 0 in here. Again you take 6 times 9000, again you will get 1000. Like this it continues, means repeated decimal. So for this also we took the approximate value, that is 0.5426. okay, next one, next third bit, 2 girls. Probability to get 2 girls family. Okay, 2 girls family. So here what is the, here we have probability for 2 girls is given 475. So 475 by total families is 1500. Again for this divide 1500, 475, 0.0. 15 3s are 45, 15 4s are 60. So 3s 4500, 0 5 2 250, and if you put here 0 and you can put one more 0, 25. 15 2s 30 is more, so take one time 1500, 0 0 0 1, and one more 0 you can put. 6 is 9000, again 1000 you will get 0, again 6 9000, like this it continues. So what is the approximate value for this also? 0.3166 and so on. Okay, next coming to fourth bit, at most one girl. At most one girl. Okay, at most one girl is nothing but probability of 0 girls plus probability of plus probability of one girl families. Okay, which is equals to probability of 0 girls. What we got? 0.1406 plus for one girl what we got? 5426. 0.5426. Add what you will get. 6 plus 6 12, 1 3, next 4 plus 4 8, 1 7, 0.7832. At most one girl. At most one girl means you will get this. Wait, let us add it. 0.1406, 12, 3, 8, 6. Sorry, here it is 6. Okay, this is the probability to having at most one girl. At most means the highest number of girls in the family is 1. So you have to take even 0 also. Less than 1 also you have to take. Less than or equal to 1. Okay, we have to take those values which are families which are having less than or equal to 1 girl. So fifth bit if you see, more girls than boys. More girls than boys. That is probability to have more girls than boys is more girls. If you observe the frequency given here, here 0 means girls are 0, means only boys are there. So here you are having one boy, one girl. Here you are having all the 2 children are girls only. So this is more than boys. Here it is equal, and here more boys are there. So but what they asked, more girls than boys, means the last one, that is 475 you have to take again. Yes, before I said that probability to have more girls than boys is nothing but, if you see the frequencies, what we have, 0 girls, 1 girl means 1 girl and 1 boy. Here 2 girls means no boys are there. This is more than, this is equal ratio of boys and girls. Here no boys are there. So we can say this is girls more than boys. So what are the families we have, number of families we have for more girls than boys? 475. So again you will get 475 by 1500. The previous one we have got probability to get 2 girls. That for that what we got, 0.3166 and so on. So this is the answer for more girls than boys. Okay, if you have any doubts, and suggestions or corrections you can specify in the comment section, and also subscribe, comment and share, okay, for deep maths.